Look at this channel, it has more than 1 million subscribers and earns thousands of dollars. And now this one. It also has a huge number of subscribers and makes thousands of dollars. But what kind of video do they make? They are making simple tech or gadget review videos. You can also make this kind of video. The most fun fact is that you can do it totally free of cost. Not only that, let's see how you can start your money-making journey from day one. So, without further ado, let's dive in. So, what are the steps of making a gadget review channel? Let's floor them. First of all, we have to find out the trending and new gadgets. You can search on Amazon for the trending product. Always select products with a larger number of sales and reviews, as people are interested. Try to select at least 3 or 4 products for every video. For tutorial purposes, I will select only one product. For example, I am selecting this one. Alright, we have selected our product, but what about the video script? After selecting the product, you can research about the product and write your own script, or can take the help of AI. I will take the help of ChatGPT to write my script. After coming to ChatGPT, I am writing the prompt as I want to create a product review video on YouTube. I will provide you the name of the product in full product description, read the below mentioned product description and write a video script within 4 paragraphs of 250 words. Be informative and use various sentences. The sentence length should be short with enough transition words. Write as a third person. Are you ready? You can use this prompt or customize it. After that, come back to the product page and copy the product name and the full description. After that, paste it on ChatGPT one by one. After all is set, hit the Generate Enter button. And here it is. Our script is ready. That's great. Now let's create the video. Before that, we have to collect the video footage of the product as we can't buy products every time to review. Don't worry, you will find product videos on Amazon. These videos can be downloaded or screen recorded for your reference. Usually, these videos are available on the official YouTube channel of the company. You can easily download them from there, allowing you to access videos using all 3 methods. Now many will ask the question about copyright concerns. However, the videos we're using are sourced from the company's official website or its YouTube channel, which typically allows for their use within fair use and copyright guidelines. And most importantly, we are promoting their product. So, you won't face any copyright issues. Alright, our script and video footage are ready. Now you can record your voiceover and edit the videos with a video editor. But I will create all the videos with a free AI-powered video editor, CapCut. To use CapCut you don't need even a highly configured PC, because you use their online version. Okay, open your browser and search for CapCut. After getting the search result, click on the first link. If you are first time in CapCut, create an account. To do this, click on Sign Up for free from here. Now create an account with your email or continue with your Google, Facebook, or TikTok account. Alright, after creating the account, you will be on this page. Here you will notice some featured tools. If you scroll down, you will notice a vast number of editable video templates. Today, we will create a video from scratch. Navigate to the top and click on the plus icon of New Video. Now select the aspect ratio. As I am making a video for YouTube, I am selecting 16:9. Select your desired ratio according to the platform. Now come to the left panel and click on the media. Then click on the upload button and select from this device. Now upload the product videos downloaded from its brand website. After uploading the videos, come to the Elements tab from here. You will find a new option, AI character. Click on View All from here. Yes, now you can create a realistic AI talking avatar with CapCut, and the most fun fact is, it's completely free to use. Just select an avatar from here. And our avatar has been added to the timeline. Now adjust the size and the positions. Before going to the next step, we need to set a background for our video. To do this, come back to the Element tab and then click on the image. Search and find a suitable background for your background. Drag and drop the image on the timeline. Make sure the background image timeline layer is below the avatar timeline layer. Alright, let's move to the next step. Select the avatar timeline and come to the right tool panel. Here you will find the option AI characters. Click on here. Now you can customize the characters. First, the frame. You can select the frame from here. I want the full body now, so I am skipping. Next, the narration text. Here you have to enter the script. Keep in mind that you can enter only 1,000 characters at one time. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the first paragraph of the script, and then paste it into the narration text box. After that, select the voice actor. Here you will find a vast library of voice model. Listen to some of them and then select the suitable one. After that, hit the apply button. Now CapCut will take some time to generate the voiceover and lip sync. And here it is. Our first part is completed. Now adjust the background image length according to the avatar video length. After that, click on the download icon from here and then select download all content from the selected duration. Give a name, select the resolution, and then hit the download button. Minimize the tab and come back to the video editor. Copy the avatar clip and paste it on timeline. Do the same for the background. After that, select the second avatar clip and then come to the AI character tool from here. This time we will change only the narration text. Go back to ChatGPT and then copy the next paragraph text, and then paste the text in the narration text box. After that, hit the apply button. After completing the process, hit the download button and export the second avatar video. In this method, generate avatar videos with all of the script. You can see the process in the task menu from here. When all of the clips are completed, delete all of the avatars and backgrounds from the timeline and then refresh the page. Alright, now come to the Media tab. Here you will notice that all of our avatar videos are now in the Media bin. Drag and drop them in the timeline in ascending order. After that, separate audio from every clip. To do this, select the video clip, right-click on it, and then select Separate Audio. Do the same for all of the clips. After that, insert the promotional video clips. Set the position of the video after the intro part. Separate the audio from this video and delete it. After that, set the layer below the avatar layer. Now you may notice that our promotion video clips has been covered the full screen. To avoid this issue, click on Basic from here. After that, click on the mask option. Select a mask from here. Adjust the mask size and position. I will suggest to keep only the face. After that, set the positions of the avatar. Do the same for all of the avatar clips. Alright, now you can add captions, music, and other elements to make the video more appealing. We already made some videos on CapCut. You can watch them from the I button. Okay, after all is set, hit the export button and then select download. Set the name and other values and then hit download. Now it will take some time to render the video. Once it's completed, click on the download button from here. And our video is ready. Let's have a look.
Welcome to our latest review, where we're diving into the world of wireless audio with the Tozo T6 True Wireless Earbuds. These aren't just any earbuds, they're a blend of innovation and convenience. Tailored for the music lover on the go, let's unpack the features that set the Tozo T6 apart. First up, the Smart Touch Control. The Tozo T6 takes convenience to the next level. With intuitive touch controls, managing your music and calls is as simple as a tap or a swipe. Whether you're playing music, adjusting volume, or handling calls, it's all at your fingertips, literally. This seamless interaction means your phone can stay in your pocket, making the T6 a perfect companion for your busy lifestyle. Moving on to what matters most.
I think it's a decent product review video. You can make it more engaging. Okay, now you can publish your video and make money with AdSense, affiliate, and paid promotion. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience of product review video creation with the help of AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!